Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is chapter 2 of HTML tutorials and today we're gonna be learning attributes. So roll the intro and let's making our new HTML document by let's just give this chapter 2 dot html. Alright, and then let's just open it in our Google tab. As you can see, it's blank. Now let me put this code in our Sublime text. Alright, so I have created this folder, this document of chapter 2, and now I'm gonna be telling you how to add color to the background. Like as you can see, it's white, plain, old, boring, white. So let me first write the snippet of my HTML, and then let's just give the title as attributes, right? Let me check the spellings. Yeah, correct. Oh, my bad. I'm bad with spelling. Sometimes I do mess up. And then let's give our very own background some color, shall we? So for that, we're gonna write BG color. So background, short form, BG, back as B, ground as G, BG color. And I want to give it to our body, that is our main text that's gonna display over here. So that's why I'm writing it over here. Background color is equal to in the codes we're gonna write it any color that you want: blue, green, say red, say green, purple. So let's just write a red, and then it's just pretty usual stuff. All right, let's just refresh it. As you can see, the background is red again. Voila, it's pretty cool, and it's not boring. Now let's just make it green. There you go, we got green. Like there are some things, like let me tell you, first of all, there are hex codes for colors. So basically these are the codes that are written for any color that you want make in your palette. Say I want light yellow, right? But I don't know the name of it, and even our systems also don't know the name of it. So what will we do? Hold on. Oh, my bad. So that's why we use this hex codes. You can see there is a code. These are RGBs, like all the colors that we can use over here, and I can make any color. Like this is just for this website. You can go to any website and just write by just type your hex codes for colors, and you can see there. Like see, there is a W3 schools color. You can just pick any color, and pick any color. It's gonna give you a hex code. All right. So I want, say that I want um this color. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this text, my bad, and I'm going to paste it over here. All right, and then I'm going to refresh it and see I've got the same color of this. All right, say I don't like this color, so I want this color, this sort of poopish color, and I'm going to paste it over here. Mind guys, I have a bad humor. As you can see, it's working. All right, so that's it for the colors. Now, oh yeah, there's one more thing that I want to tell you, is that whenever I type this, we can also, oh sorry, so we can also give like RGB, and in the brackets we can just write like 56 comma 25, if that makes sense, comma 6. So it's like red, blue, and green, and we're gonna refresh it. So it's gonna convert it to that color, whatever you write here in the RGB values. Alright. Now let's talk about our align function. Alright. So basically what it does is we can align our text. Either we want our text, let's just say here, I'm gonna create a paragraph over here. I'm gonna type here, hello world, this is hello world. In this video we will learn alignment, let's just say. All right, so as you can see, there is a line. So align function helps us, like whether we want this text in our very own left, we want in right, we want in center, or if there are multiple lines, then we want them to be justified, means underneath one with a symmetry. All right, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write here align align double quotes, and I'm gonna write here left. All right, I'm gonna refresh it. So nothing happens because the text is in left. All right, let's just say right. The text moved to the right side. All right, let's suppose I don't like my text in right. I want it to be in center because this is the heading. So very well, it can be, we can do that. And also guys, you can do it in caps, there is nothing wrong with it. It's just that I prefer in small letters. Oh, I forgot to save. And you can see the text, our very own text is in center. Now what we can do is, say I have multiple lines. I want to just say I'm gonna break it. All right, and I'm gonna refresh it. As you can see, our text is in center. That's good, but I don't want it in center. I want it to be justified. Justify. Now see what will happen. So you can see there is a symmetry to it. Alright, so justified is done. So now I'm gonna tell you about how to change the font size of our text. So I'm gonna write here as an a line, and then I'm gonna comment it just for your reference. And then I'm gonna write here about our font tags, right? So for that, let's just say in bold text, right? Hello. Spectre, see? And then I want its font size. Let's just first use this and then say, let's just say hello Spectre, right? Let's just say hello Spectre, right? And I wanted it's bold, right? But its font size is way too small. I want it to be more enlarged, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type here inside our bold tag, I'm gonna write here font size, right? And then I'm gonna type whatever size I want, either in pixels or in percentage. So let's say 7. It's enlarged. So yeah, that's what I want to tell you, is that there is a limit. The minimum is 1 in this sizes. The minimum is 1, this one, and the maximum is 7 that I typed earlier. Alright, the default one is 3. This is the default one that comes with, and you can't write any other numbers other than this. It's just like h1, h2, h3, yeah, something like that, but this is just a more preferred version of it. Now this is font, right? So we can also use as font color over here. So if I just copy it and let's write that same old line over here, and I'm gonna say red, and then I'm gonna change this text of size into color. Also note that, guys, in this is an American language, so we are not writing COLOUR, we are writing COLOR. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. And I want to change this to just Spectre over here. Just let's refresh it and see if any our colors worked. No, it didn't work. Why? There you go. As you can see, I forgot to add space, so it was just overlapping the text, but now I added the space. As you can see, it has some color in the text. Let's just say I want it to be blue. There you go, you got it. So that was all about the color and the size, and about the alignment of our text and the background colors. So that was it, guys. In next video, I'm gonna be teaching you something else and something more exciting. I will be giving you all of this code in the description, as well as I will be making the playlist of all the series, so you can watch easily. That's it. I'm gonna see you next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.